Okay, folks, I'm going to bring old Dook out here to help me with this next song.
And me too.
Some people call it a kiddie song, but I think it's one that all people can enjoy for all time.
Yeah.
It's my favorite song.
It's the one you sing when you're riding in a car a long way. Sing it
Birds.
over and over.
Birds love this song.
I've been working on the railroad.
I love this song.
All the live long day.
I love this song.
I've been working on the railroad just to pass the time away. Can't you hear the whistle blowing?
Lead the way.
Rise up so early in the morning.
I love this song.
Can't you hear the captain shouting? Dinah, blow your horn. Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow?
Everybody.
Dinah, won't you blow your horn?
I love this
Dinah,
song.
won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow your horn? Sing along.
Yeah.
Someone's in the kitchen with Dinah. Someone's in the kitchen, I know.
To the way.
Someone's in the kitchen with Dinah. Strumming on the old banjo.
Strum it.
Singing beep-bop, diddly-i-o. Beep-bop, diddly-i-o. Beep-bop, diddly-i-o. Strumming on the old banjo. Strumming on the old banjo. And I've been working on the railroad.
Slow down, Billy Bob. Slow down.
Long day. I've been working on the railroad just to pass the time away. Can't you hear the whistle blowing? Rise up so early in the morning. Can't you hear the captain shouting? Dinah, blow your horn. Oh, Dinah, blow your horn.
I'm out of breath.
It's a hard song.
Not
Everybody
for
get
birds.
that?
Yeah.
I love this song.
That was cool, I think.